Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up and monitor network services on the platform. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to confidently navigate the platform, initialize your environment, and monitor your network services, all with helpful context and guidance along the way. To begin, you'll wait as the platform loads, and then scroll down the main page to reveal more options available to you. Next, open the terminal and enter the command to start the service. This is an essential step for activating the network services you'll be monitoring. Once you've started the service, navigate to the Network Overview section, where you can check the current connection status. This overview gives you a clear snapshot of your network state. You'll then wait as the interface updates, displaying the most up-to-date network information for your review. Next, you'll run the initialization commands in the terminal to prepare your environment for monitoring and management. After running these commands, the platform loads and you'll see the main interface appear. Once it's ready, navigate to the Network Overview section again, this time to review the connected peers and ensure everything is running smoothly. From here, select the Intelligence tab from the sidebar to access advanced monitoring features. You'll then view the Intelligence dashboard, which provides deeper insights and analytics to help you make informed decisions about your network services. Continuing on, run the deployment command in the terminal to finalize your setup. The platform then loads the main dashboard, where you have quick access to essential tools. Navigate to the Quick Command section, a helpful area for managing services efficiently. Afterward, scroll to the documentation area, where you can find detailed guides and support resources if you need more information. Finally, return to the main landing page, completing your setup and monitoring workflow. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and monitored your network services on the platform. Remember, you can always revisit the Intelligence dashboard or documentation area for further insights and support. Thanks for joining this tutorial. Now you're ready to confidently manage your network services with ease.